everybody, I'm Wicked and welcome back to the channel. I haven't been posting up for about 2 years. I am really sorry for that, but I had some personal problems. But I have emerged unscathed. I have a lot of new tools and a lot of new cool stuff to review and restore. Like this old vintage bandsaw blade welder. This is a cool machine. I really dig it. I will restore this machine. I just got it a few days ago. Just hacksaw fix this cable so we can test it. I will replace the cable. This is just to test it if the machine works. I have these two pieces of a blade. Let's just try to weld them and see if the machine works. It's doing something. The blade is heating up. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's a lot of heat in the blade. Okay, enough. Oh! Now look at that. It did something. It didn't weld at it, but it did something. It kind of works. I will be fully restoring this, and I hope you will wait and join me for the restoration. Until then, thank you and have a good day.